Happy Monday, Pass Fam. We hope you had a great week, and we hope you learned something new while implementing mindfulness last week. If you didn't get to it, that's totally okay. You could always start whenever you're ready. So let's get into this week's challenge. Change starts from within. This week, focus on one thing you want to improve about yourself and do one thing each day towards that goal. So this challenge has a lot to do with self-awareness. As we journey on to a certain goal, we may come across certain things that we struggle with internally. And some common struggles are lack of organization, lack of time management, lack of motivation, anxiety, fear. And this is where self-awareness comes into play. Realizing these things can be surprising and painful, and that's totally okay. It's simply a part of growing pains and an opportunity to learn more about yourself. So here are some tips on utilizing your passion planner as you take on this week's challenge. Number 1, you've probably heard this in all the other videos, but I'm gonna say it again, reflect. Check in with your roadmap that you filled out at the beginning of the year and ask yourself, up to this point, were there any goals that you didn't accomplish but still wish to? If you answered yes, then mind map or make a list of all the reasons why you didn't accomplish it. You can go even further by categorizing these reasons into internal and external. An example of an internal struggle would be, I didn't have time, which equates to lack of time management. An external struggle would be, my parents didn't want me to do it, something like that. And if you answered no to the question, that's totally okay too. Life happens, things change, you change. Number 2, the roadmap. So based on your reflection, we would suggest either revising or even creating a new roadmap that meets you where you are right now. And as you either revise or create your new roadmap, include those internal goals too, and map those steps out. Then fill the monthly and weekly layouts accordingly. And lastly, staying on track. A huge part of overcoming these internal struggles is simply building habits. So you could use your passion planner by writing in the week's focus, writing in the daily focus, and even using our PDF download of the habit tracker to help you build the habit so it becomes second nature to you. And the most important part of staying on track is simply to celebrate all your victories. This will help you build confidence within yourself so you can keep on going. All in all, working on overcoming these internal struggles and challenges helps you build and find value within yourself, ultimately helping you live more authentically each and every day, which is our mission here at Passion Planner. And that's it for this week's challenge. We hope you feel supported and empowered throughout this week. And always remember, Chelsea Wong believes in you.